What's up, Memphis? Y'all know what's up. It's Mary James.
I just hopped up out the Benz. 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 I just hopped up out the Benz.
Got some money, had to invest. The way it came back was a blessing. Now I pull up on you straight flex. No ID when I cash the check. Now Mary J blowing on the loud. Burn the pounds when I burn them down. Bust down, just might bust back. You can catch me somewhere, count that check. It up until it's at.
Alright, so today we back in the truck. Today we gotta put some tires on. We're gonna put 4 tires on. The whole rear. It's gonna be $1,100 to put the new tires on. Get this thing sitting up pretty. And start running some loads. If you follow me on Instagram and you got a Class B CDL license and you wanna make some money, contact me. I got work for you. Man, what's up? Alright, you two, so we have arrived at the tire center. We're gonna see if they extort us for cost on tires. We rolled here with the flat. Put some air in it. 12 tires on this truck. What we do next? Yes, sir, that's me. 1993. Classic, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, my boy just bought a 2017 truck and he just had to pay $14,000 for a repair. So I said, man, shoot, I paid $11,000 off my truck and it run. You know what I mean? I'm good. Those tires on it, you know what I mean? We're gonna try to put some money back out there on the road. I ran 55 cars with it, made $50,000 in 2 months. So I know I run it. I just want, they about to finish painting it. And then I'm just throwing tires on it, doing a final little button up on it. And it's gonna look good.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Go get some paper with it. What's going on, sir? Special delivery for me? This is what the business is about, man. When you run the business, you gotta know what the expenses are. What does it cost? What does it cost to keep it moving? G Money. Reality Business TV. 7-speed splicer. Basically like a big old pickup truck. I'm about to go have the lights done on it. And get them to rework all the lights, make sure they put it on its own switch, make sure everything's good. You know what I mean?
That's business, man. That's business. As long as you making more.
Yeah.
Putting out.
Oh yeah. I mean, basically, I paid $11,000 for the truck, and it made me $71,000. You know what I mean?
So they paid for itself.
Yeah. Then I just set it in the barnyard. So now I'm just pulling it out the barnyard. Let's go run again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Clean her up. She good and new. Reality Business TV.
Alright, so I'm just letting y'all know what this business all entails. So when you have a truck like this, you gotta do safety inspection. You always look at people to see what's going on in the truck.
I don't know if you can see from right here, but see that shiny little thing? See what man? That is getting ready to cause a nasty blowout. So on things like that, you want to stay aware and preventative, change it out. So we're gonna replace a lot of these tires real quick, paint it, and put it back on the road.
I can't get enough of it, I just want some more, yeah. Tell that bitch to come with another friend, or else you cannot board that, yeah. Big boss call, big shot, check clear, that's new property. Spend some bread.
Alright, so we back. See what's going on.
How we looking, boss? All good? Nah, we're gonna do these two right here, and then this tire on the other side got a little nail in that joint.
Oh, so it's getting back to you?
Yeah. These two, okay, we're gonna do these next week. We're gonna change these two right here today. Okay. And then let me show you this tire over here. What about over here? We could just pop that on out. And save this until 2 weeks when I come change all of my other 6.
So, you gonna do anything with this today, or
Can we do something with it? If you got time, plug it. Yes, sir.
okay. Let's plug it. Yes, sir. All right, so we trucking. Yeah, make sure that y'all go grab a Mary J trucker's hat. You know what I mean? We got different styles. Make sure y'all get y'all Mary J's with little jumpsuits. You know. So, as y'all see in today's vlog, I'm going to give you the economics and breakdown of what this trucker can do. Basically, I only do $1,000 a car. 5 cars can go on here, so that means I got to take 5 cars at least 1,000 miles to get $1,000 a car. Alright, so 5 cars at 5,000 a load, there and back, that's $10,000 round trip. Simple mechanics, simple math. Alright. I got this old Dayton wheel, old school. Man, we just talking about, hey, old school tools, but hey, working the new school. So what we gonna do? Profit, all right? Reality Business TV. It's G Money, known as Greg Harris. I mean, y'all check out my gear, Mary J's. I designed this, you know what I mean? Y'all definitely holler at me if y'all wanna, learn how you can become your own owner operator. Or, really, I don't even have time to teach you that. I just got time to really just consult you on the moves that I'm making and show you what emerging markets I'm tapping into, and then y'all can invest and we can go from there. All right. Them old Dayton wheels, old school. I said them old school rims. Gotta put some air in there right there. We're gonna change those. How much you think? Who can guess how much this is gonna cost all together? 4 tires. 5 tires being worked on. Whoever guesses the total bill, I'm gonna cash out you $50. Tire coming off. Trucking Business 101. Maintenance, tire change. Hey, shout out Coco, female trucker on YouTube. Her page going up. I think she out in Memphis. Shout out Chasing Andrew Jackson. You know what I mean? Shout out all those people, you know what I mean? I see y'all. Let's get it. Shout out Alex Good Energy. You know what I mean? Out in Atlanta. You know what I mean? Shout out the Hood Trucking Estates. You know what I mean? Shout out everybody getting his money in this trucking business. Let's get it. Cougar, get on off of there.
Show you on this improvement. I got the clients, the rig and the clientele line. I got these bitches wondering if it's another bitch on the line. I'm like, fuck it, I can't get enough of it. I just want some more, yeah. Tell that bitch to come with another friend, or else you cannot board that. Yeah, big boss call, big shots, check clear, that's new property. Spend some bread with icebox, hat and shit.
Huh?
You don't know nowhere to be tonight.
Man.
Don't go on to that plug another day when you come out and do that time.
Hey, look, man, I see it took you into the car. That's how I gave you a run for your money, man. Hey. But you know, it's so crazy though. That shit look way better now.
Yeah.
Those other tires were too big. Them other tires was too big.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, see these tires, this look way better on there. It looks like it matches this almost a little bit better more. So that's still $295, right? No, this $255. Okay, that's why he put $255 on there. It was a $295 on that motherfucker. So now the right size on there. See all that clearance I got up underneath there? That's normal right there. Okay, bet. So now I gotta definitely change that side because I got $295 over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
That ain't good.
I know. Yeah, these are all $255 back here. That's $295. But I'm only going 15 minutes away, and then I'll be back here in 2 weeks, and then y'all gonna do the last 6. I just wanted to start piecing it together and seeing where I'm at with it and get it done like that. You know what I mean? All right. Let's go.
Sign on the loan, had to go and get it on my own. Told these niggas I was gon' go, told these niggas I was gon' go. Got some money, had to invest. The way it came back was a blessing. Now I pull up on you straight flexing. No ID when I cash the check. Now Mary J blowing on the loud. Burn the pounds when I burn them down. Bust down, just might bust back. You can catch me somewhere, count that check. I told you I was gonna turn up the level to show you on this improvement. I got the clients, the rig and the clientele line. I got these bitches wondering if it's another bitch on the line. I'm like, fuck it, I can't get enough of it. I just want some more, yeah. Tell that bitch to come with another friend, or else you cannot board that. Yeah, big boss call, big shots, check clear, that's new property. Spend some bread with icebox, have to insure that watch. Running it up until it's adding up. Running